so amazing about these awards is that you find those unsung heroes and that you give them the esteem and the praise and the recognition that they so deserve.
Tonight, on the occasion of the 10th Legal Aid Lawyer of the Year Awards, I'd ask you to join with me, with the LALY judges and with LAPG to wholeheartedly and unashamedly celebrate the magnificent achievements of the legal aid scheme that we all hold so dear and the clients that we're proud to serve.
The LALYs provide a great morale boost because it's everyone comes together, just like a football crowd comes together, just like a team in any other industry comes together.
I think one of the things about, working in the law as I have done for many years, it can be very isolating. You can feel there's not a lot of support. And yet at the end of the day, you look up and you find here today 400 people who are all in the same direction, have the same objectives, and it's very important at the moment because of what the government has been doing to legal aid. 40% cuts in civil legal aid. Unless we're very careful, it's the end. I hope tonight is the beginning.
First award of the evening, the Young Legal Aid Solicitor of the Year. The winner in this category is
Jed Pennington.
When you're dealing with vulnerable people in that way, how do you encourage them to become engaged in the process? Because I suspect often they don't want to be, really.
Well, it's just being patient and kind and listening to them.
And that does it?
That does it, yeah.
Well, Jed, congratulations. Thank you very much.
Jed.
Our second award this evening is Young Barrister of the Year, sponsored by Owen Mitchell. And we have a shortlist of 4 candidates this time. And the winner is
Xu Shen Lu.
Our third award this evening is the Family Legal Aid Lawyer, once again sponsored by Resolution. The winner is
Rachel Horman.
I'm really, really chuffed to have won this award, and not just for me but the whole department at work that worked really hard to help in that great work with the domestic violence victims.
Fourth award now for the Social and Welfare Lawyer of the Year, sponsored by Ticket. The winner of the 2011 Award for Social and Welfare Law is
Rosaline Kilblain.
And the winner of this year's Mental Health Lawyer of the Year is
Mike Bishop.
Number 6 is Immigration Lawyer of the Year, sponsored by Legal Voice. Our winner this evening is someone who's not just praised for her empathy and compassion, but has also been at the forefront of developing the law in this area, including a challenge to the removal of children under the Dublin II regulation, which has led to the suspension of child returns. The winner is
Liz Barrett.
You seem to have this knack of getting young people to open up when they've been through very distressing circumstances.
I think it's about patience, and Jed said that earlier,
Yes.
but I really do think it is, and it's about giving time. And in the immigration world, where you're often up against very strict time limits, it's trying to create an atmosphere where people feel they have the time to talk about their case.
The ceremony itself is amazing, particularly in the new venue. It's just put so together so slickly, and just hearing everything that happens and how appreciative the people are actually that win the awards, that is so great. And there is a real buzz about the place, and I think we come out of the evening feeling really uplifted by the whole experience.
All right, we've reached number 7. This is Legal Aid Barrister, sponsored by Allen and Overy. And the winner of this year's Legal Aid Barrister of the Year award is someone who's established themselves as a leader in the field of police and inquest law, and in particular been a powerful force for shaping developments in relation to law in Article 2 inquest. The winner is
Leslie Thomas.
Leslie, I'm intrigued by this skill you have of cross-examining police officers. I'm wondering if you have some particular technique you think applies well with policemen.
Kick and kick again.
It's absolutely fantastic to have an awards ceremony which had clients and people nominating people for awards, which actually illustrated day to day the work that legal aid lawyers do. Amazing.
Our 8th award, the Legal Aid Firm Not-for-Profit Agency of the Year, sponsored by Matrix Legal Aid Link. The winner in this category is
Turpin and Miller.
I think probably one of the reasons that we won was because of our links in the community, and we got quite a lot of community support for the nomination.
Next, we have the award for Criminal Defence Lawyer of the Year, sponsored by Crimeline. Who is the winner of this particular category? The winner is
Raj Chada.
I think it's a recognition for not just me, but for lots of lawyers at Hodge, Jones and Allen, and indeed lots of lawyers that specialise in protest and public order work, and the dedication that they do, and the restraints that they have under legal aid.
It's an amazing event which is makes them feel special. It's like the Oscar ceremonies for the legal aid lawyers.
Instead of one top award, we have 2 top awards this year. As usual, we have an award for outstanding achievement, which once again has been sponsored by Manches. But we will also be making a 10th anniversary special award sponsored by Access Point. The winners of our 2 final awards this evening really don't need any introduction. First of all, the winner of the 2012 award for outstanding achievement is Imran Khan. The 10th anniversary special award goes to Doreen Lawrence. Okay, we'll come together.
As all legal aid lawyers know, our job's about real people and real lives, day to day, day in, day out. And we felt that Doreen is inspirational for anybody who cares about justice. That's why we wanted to give her the award.
It's, I suppose, what makes me proudest of this award is that listening to the testimonies of all the other individuals who work so hard beyond the call of duty, and that I'm included as part of that group of individuals. For me, that is the most important thing.